Welcome to our video on the wealthy mindset. The psychology of wealth is a fascinating topic, and understanding how the mind works when it comes to money and success can be a powerful tool in attracting wealth into your life. In this video, we will be discussing the key principles of the wealthy mindset and how you can develop them to achieve financial success. First, let's talk about the concept of abundance. A wealthy mindset is characterized by an abundance mentality, which is the belief that there is more than enough to go around. This means that instead of thinking that there's not enough money or resources to go around, a person with an abundance mindset believes that there's more than enough to meet their needs and the needs of others. One way to develop an abundance mentality is by practicing gratitude. When you focus on what you're grateful for, it helps to shift your focus away from lack and towards abundance. Additionally, try to see opportunities in every situation, even when things don't go as planned. This will help you to see that there's always a way to make something work and that there's always more potential for success. Next, let's talk about taking action. Having a wealthy mindset means taking action towards your goals, regardless of how small the steps may be. It's important to remember that the journey to financial success is not a one-time event, but rather a series of small steps that will lead you closer to your goals. One way to take action is by setting specific, measurable and attainable goals. This will help you to focus on what you want to achieve and give you a clear plan of action. Additionally, try to break down your goals into small, manageable steps. This will make them more attainable and help you to stay on track. Third, let's talk about the power of visualization. Visualization is the practice of creating a mental image of what you want to achieve. When you visualize your goals, it helps to create a strong emotional connection to them. This emotional connection makes your goals feel more real and attainable, and it helps to keep you motivated towards achieving them. To practice visualization, try to see yourself achieving your goals as if they've already happened. Imagine how you feel, what you're doing and who you're with. Try to make the visualization as realistic as possible, and focus on the emotions and feelings that come up. The more vivid your visualization, the more likely it is to manifest in reality. Fourth, let's talk about the importance of being open to new opportunities. A wealthy mindset means being open to new opportunities and possibilities, even when they don't seem to fit with your current plans. Being open to new opportunities means being willing to take risks and try new things. One way to be open to new opportunities is by keeping an open mind. Instead of shutting down new ideas or opportunities, try to consider them with an open mind. Additionally, try to be curious about the world around you. This will help you to see new opportunities and possibilities that you may have missed otherwise. Fifth, let's talk about the power of self-discipline. A wealthy mindset requires self-discipline, which is the ability to control your impulses and make decisions that are in line with your goals. This means being able to resist the temptation to spend money on things that don't align with your goals, and being able to save and invest money instead. To develop self-discipline, try to set clear boundaries for yourself. For example, set a budget for yourself and stick to it. Additionally, try to avoid impulsive decisions and take the time to think things through before making a decision. That's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed our discussion on the wealthy mindset. Remember, the first step towards achieving financial freedom is to change the way you think about money. By adopting a wealthy mindset, you'll be able to take control of your finances and create a path towards a brighter financial future. Stay tuned for the next part of our series where we'll be diving deeper into the secrets of the wealthy and how you can implement them in your own life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one.